Namaste viewers and listeners, myself Dr. Brahmdatt Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Komar Bhritya, Shri Shirdi Sai Baba Ayurvedic College, Renwal, Jaipur. Today I am going to talk about Ayurvedic management of dysentery, or we can say Pravahika in Ayurveda. After discussing the treatment of normal diarrhea, we are discussing the diarrhea with blood and mucus. If you like this video, please click on like and bell button and subscribe my channel for other interesting videos. When we are talking about dysentery in Ayurveda, there is a special reference of Pravahika. It is described as Swatantra Vyadhi as well as complication of Atisar. There are several synonyms like Shushrut described it as Nishcharak, भोज, वृषंसी, पाराशर, अंतर्ग्रंथि और अन्नग्रंथि, हारित, निधारक और निसारक. आचार्य सुश्रुत and Madhav described it as distinct disease, where Acharya Charak described it as in context of Kafaj Atisar and complication of Vasti, that is Vasti Vyapad. Acharya Vagbhat also described it as Bimbishi, the synonym of Pravahika. Acharya Sushrut described Pravahika in Uttar Tantra Atisar Chikissa. Vayu pravaddo nichitam balasam ne udatya adastat ahit ashnasya pravahamanasya muhur malaktam pravahikam tam pravadanti tagya. Means one who consumes unwholesome food and drinks leading to aggravation of vat, and that vat pushes the cough downward again and again. As the result, cough comes out along with stool. It is known as pravahika. So main component or main doshas are vat and cough. Acharya Charak described it in Atisar Chikissa, chapter number 19. Ame parinate यस्तु विवद्धम अतिसार्यते शशूलम पिच्छलम अल्पम बहुशय से प्रवाहिकम. After परिपक्व आम दोष, patient passes liquid or hard stool in small amount and with pain with several times. So it is the characteristic of pravahika that there is small amount in several frequency with pain and mucus. Then etiological factors, the Nidan. To understand the causative factors, we can divide Pravahika in two types, Swatantra Pravahika and Paratantra Pravahika. The causes of Swatantra Pravahika are Dushit Jal, Ahar, Adra Vayu, Mithya Ahar Vihar, Viruddha Asan, Vat and Kaf Prakopak Nidan. इन परतंत्र प्रवाहिका अधिक स्नेह प्रयोग, रुक्ष, क्षार, खर, तीक्ष्ण उष्ण पदार्थ, अधिक तिल, पिष्ट एंड मिष्टान. आचार्य माधव ऑल्सो डिस्क्राइब्ड गुरु अति स्निग्ध, रुक्ष, उष्ण, द्रव स्थूल, अति शीतले, विरुद्ध अद्यशन अजीर्णे, विषमा च अपि भोजने, स्नेह आद्य अति युक्ते च मिथ्या युक्ते विषय भये, शोकात दुष्टांबु मध्य अतिपाने सात्म्यम ऋतु विपर्ये. So these are causative factors for pravahika. These should be avoided. Then important thing is samprapti. After having these etiological factors, that is hetu sevan, there is dushti of vayu and kaf. In vayu especially saman and apana vayu, and in kaf there is Kledak Kaf Dushti. So this is the process of Sanchaya Avastha. Next is Prakop. There is Ashay Apkarsh Gati. This Kledak Kaf pulled by Pakvashay. So there is Ashay Apkarsh. Then Prasar. Kaf Stan Bhay. Kaf is moving through its original stage. Then mucus covers the inner layer of Pakvashay there is sthan sanshray. Next is apan vayu tried to get out with mucus with stool, so there is pravahan and alp mal pravarti, and result is apan dusti increases and cough becomes more styan, so more pravahan and alp mal pravarti, this is called pravahika. Then types of pravahika. According to Acharya Madhav, mainly 4 types: वातज, पित्तज, कफज एंड रक्तज. प्रवाहिका वातकृता से शूला, पित्तात से दाहा, से कफा कफाच्य, से शोणिता शोणि संभवाच्य. Means वातज with pain, pittaj with burning, kafaj with cough and raktaj with blood. Next is स्नेह रुक्ष प्रभवा मतास्तु तासाम अतिसार वद आदिश्च लिंग क्रम च आम विपक्वता. These type of pravahika are produced by more of anakness and roughness in pakvashay. The stage of am and pak and management principles are similar as atisar. It is described by Madhav. Now important thing is Ayurvedic management of dysentery in children. We can use the drugs we have described in context of diarrhea, and some other drugs we can use especially for dysentery. So we are here describing the special drug for dysentery. Then most important thing is treatment principles. First one is Langan, Deepan and Pachan to rectify the digestion and metabolism process to destroy am. Next is Grahi and Stamban to check loose stools, blood and mucus. Another important thing is Panchakram, especially Pichhavasti, mild variation after the active phase of infection, that is inflammation. Then Stamban to check out blood and fluids. And last Pathya and Apathya, there is diet and lifestyle modifications. Some special reference like Charak described Khad Yush. It is combination of Bal Bilv Kalk, Krishna Til Kalk, curd cream, sneh like घृत और तेल. In Kashyap Samhita Garbhani Chikitsa Adhyay, 2 preparations are described. First one is Phanit Yog. In this Phanit, along with Tilkalk, Sharkara, Madhu and Tanduladak should be used. Next is Chirayata Yog. Chirayata with Lodr, Madhuyasti and Madhu should be used. In Shushruta Samhita, mainly Yavagu Prayog. It is easy to digest. The combination of Shallaki, Jalkumbi, Dadim, rice, moong, Balvilv with Anupan of milk should be used. Along with Pichhavasti, there is also indication of Niruvasti in Shushrut. The combination of Madhuyasti, Nilkamal, milk, Ghrat and honey in case of pain and dysuria, that is Mutra Kraksh, Niruvasti is described. So these are special references. Next treatment is Pichhavasti. It is prepared with Samal Vrant, covered with Kush, and then Putpak procedure. Ras should be collected. Then it should be taken mixed with Tel and Ghrat 2 tola and Madhuyasti 1 tola. There is also indication of Anuvasan Vasti at the time of Shul. Tel processed with Kakolyadi Madhur Aushadhi drugs should be used in Anuvasan Vasti. And last is food for Pravahika. Food prepared in Tel, that Tel is processed with Vatnashak drugs and Sandhavadi Lavan Panchak Yog, and also other Yog, Tel processed with Lodr, wheat salt, Bilv Shalatu and Trikatu. Next is Yavagu made with curd cream, honey and moong with rice should be used. Next is rice prepared with heated pure gold dipped in milk. This is Sutapt Kopya. Kopya is metal. For pain, food with Trikatu, Vidarikan processed in milk. Vatagna, Sangrahi, Deepan drugs, processed khad use should be used. And last is Laghu, Snigdha, Agni Deepan and Hitkarak An should be used in treatment of Pravahika. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please click on like and bell button and subscribe my channel for other interesting video. You can also contact us by this link ayusham.in.